beautiful viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to share my curry chicken and white rice recipe with you guys. Let's get started. Here is my chicken. I've cut it up in small pieces and it's all curried, just ready for cooking. And I'll be using a whole onion chopped up in small pieces, a bit of thyme and hot scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll be using some spring onions cut up in small pieces. And my rice is halfway through cooking, and I'll explain and I'll tell you what I do. My rice is cooking really good. I use white rice, and I've washed my rice 3 times, drained my rice, and then I add some water to my rice, add a pinch of salt, and then enough water to cover my rice, give it a stir, put it on high heat to start off with. Once my rice started boiling, I reduce my heat and I leave it to slow cooked, right? And then what I'm going to show you now, I'm going to show you exactly how I do my curry chicken. So let's get started. I'm using some vegetable oil. My pan is clean, so I'm gonna turn my heat on. I'm gonna pour some oil in my pan, about that amount of oil. I'm going to leave it to heat for a while. Then I'm gonna add my onions to it. Then I'm going to add my spring onions. This is my spring onions, what I use. So I use 1 piece of spring onions, and I use a whole onion, but it's at this size. And I've used a piece of hot scotch bonnet pepper. This pepper is very hot, and I don't like, too much fiery pepper, so I just use a little bit of this. And then these are all the seasons what I use. I use chicken season, Maggi all-purpose season, garlic granules, original Jamaican style curry seasoning, and I also use thyme. That's the thyme what I'm using as well. So I'm just gonna give my hands a wash. And I'm gonna I leave this chicken to marinate for 4 hours, because I like when I'm eating my food, I can taste all the flavor. So I leave it to marinate for 4 hours. So I'm just gonna give it a rub through. It's all looking good. I'm just going to add this curry powder to my stuff. This is 1 tablespoon of curry powder. So I'm going to add it, put it straight in. And then I'm going to just mix it all in. That's looking really good. Then I am going to add my chicken. Wow, that is looking really good. It smells absolutely lovely. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some water. Not a lot of water, just enough water to cover my chicken. That water is enough. Yeah, you just need enough water to cover the chicken, and that is enough. And then I am going to cover my chicken and leave it to cook on slow heat. I am going to leave to cook on slow heat, and I'm going to have a break. So when I come back, I will show you the result of my chicken. So see you in a while, okay? Guys, I'm just peeling some potato to add to my curry chicken. Some Irish potato. I'm using 2 small Irish potato, and I'm cutting them up in small pieces. Just gonna give them a wash. I'm just going to add it to my curry chicken. Wow, that is looking really good. Look at that, guys. Wow, that is looking so good. Wow, oh my word, oh wow. Really good. So guys, I'm just gonna leave it to finish cook. When I come back, I'll show you the finishing touch. Okay? Hey, welcome back guys. I'm just showing you my finishing touch. My curry chicken is all ready and looking really, really delicious. I can't wait to get stuck in it. So guys, and over here is my white rice. It's all looking good. So I'm going to serve some dinner. Guys, this is my blueberry, strawberry and apple natural healthy juice. And I'm going to have a glass of this with my curry rice and chicken. It's really nice. Guys, I'm going to have a taste. And then I'll tell you guys exactly what I think about my lovely curry rice, curry chicken and white rice. Very, very delicious. I can taste all the flavor from the chicken. All the spice what I use to season this chicken. It's marinate nicely and it tasting very, very delicious. And it's also looking really good. So guys, if you like my rice and curry chicken recipe, please give me a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you guys soon with a lot more recipes and idea and how to cook Caribbean dishes. Bye.